Hello friends, today I am going to present quiz. You get 5 seconds to answer them. Let's start. Question 1. Who invented aeroplane? Your options are Benjamin Franklin, B. Thomas Edison, C. The Wright brothers, D. Alexander Fleming. Correct answer is C. The Wright brothers. Question 2. What is the smallest three-digit number? Your options are A. 100, B. 190, C. 999, D. 500. Correct answer is 100. Question 3. Which is the smallest bird in the world? Your options are A. Bee hummingbird, B. Sparrow, C. Parrot, D. Myna. Correct answer is A. Bee hummingbird. Question 4. How many hours Earth takes to complete one rotation? Your options are A 20, B 22, C 24, D 28. Correct answer is C 24. Question 5. How many times did India win ICC World Cup? Your options are A 4 times, B 1 time, C 3 times, D 2 times. Correct answer is D 2 times. Question 6. What is the full form of DOB? Your options are A. Date of booking, B. Document of birth, C. Date of birth, D. Degree of birth. Correct answer is C. Date of birth. Question 7. Who won the first T20 World Cup? Your options are A. Pakistan, B. India, C. Australia, D. New Zealand. Correct answer is B. India. Question 8. Which is the biggest and deepest ocean in the world? Your options are A. Atlantic Ocean, B. Indian Ocean, C. Arctic Ocean, D. Pacific Ocean. Correct answer is Pacific Ocean. Question 9. Who is known as God of Cricket? Your options are A. Rahul Dravid, B. Virat Kohli, C. Sachin Tendulkar, D. Rohit Sharma. Correct answer is C. Sachin Tendulkar. Question 10. Which is the tallest building on earth? Your options are A. Burj Khalifa, B. Shanghai Tower, C. Qutub Minar, D. Empire State Building. Correct answer is A. Burj Khalifa. Thank you.